Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. Also, a quick thank you to crypto exchange BITUNIX for sponsoring the JWK show. Get your XRP by using the link in the description below. We talked about this multiple times on the channel, and we even have Bubba bringing it back up, and that is back on December 4th. Beware of sniffers, and beware of sniffers in gematria is 1026. As Christine Lagarde has said, take out the 0 in numerology as it equals to nothing. We have 126, and we also have from the XRP insiders, we have overnights 126, the price of XRP moving up, as you guys can see over here. And we speculated that 126 could be a date, and that could be December 6th. So that was yesterday. Today is a brand new day, and overnight after 12.6, we do have the price of XRP pumping up. We can see going from $2 now at $2.09. So we can see with the signal from Bubba and this from the XRP insiders signaling a price increase on 12.6, December 6th. Right now, this is playing out as we speak. XRP trading at $2.09. So is this the beginning of an XRP pump? Guys, is this finally the beginning of the XRP bull run? And every time we have the stochastic RSI on US 10-year, China 10-year, every time it makes a bullish crossover, a Bitcoin bull run follows. So we can see, guys, without fail, every time we have the crossover of the RSI stochastic, we see a massive pump coming in for Bitcoin and cryptos. And guys, it just made a crossover as well. So we have this extremely accurate 100% technical analysis matching up, coinciding with the XRP insider timeline of the XRP pump bull run beginning on 12.6. So guys, things are looking very, very exciting, and it does look like this is playing out right now as we speak, which means that we should see a December pump and possibly another new all-time high being made, and in December, possibly XRP going to double digits. And again, if we do follow the 2017 bull run, we had the bull run beginning during the second week of December, and tomorrow begins the second week of December. So even history is repeating itself, and it does seem like we could see a 2017 like bull run repeating again 8 years later in 2025. Guys, I'm actually very, very excited. I've bought more XRP, and we'll buy even more XRP after this video. And we can see on the weekly time frame for XRP, we have a RSI stochastic crossover coming in as well. So this is another bullish sign of a reversal coming in. We could see this move coming in next for XRP. And we saw the exact same thing happen back in 2017, back in March as well. A big move coming in after the RSI stochastic cross the second time. So we have the RSI stochastic also repeating history. Guys, it is very likely that we should see this move coming in next. And we have from Jay Claver a massive tweet. We have trades on OTC for XRP are taking longer than usual to settle, which means that XRP on OTC is running out, and eventually we will see exchanges, whales, smart money, everyone buying on the open market, which actually impacts the price of XRP. So this means we're about to see the price of XRP go parabolic with all of the buying pressure. We have the XRP Bitcoin pairing also starting to move up as well. Very, very exciting, signaling a big move coming in. XRP taking more of the market share away from Bitcoin, and we also have coming soon US strategic Bitcoin reserves. So we also have a supply shock coming in for Bitcoin, but we have XRP starting right now, as again set by Jay Claver. And imagine once we see the XRP ETFs buying in the open market in 2 weeks, they already accumulated $1 billion worth of XRP. So imagine $1 billion of value of money flowing into XRP in the open market. Guys, that will send XRP absolutely flying. And we have everyone staring at retail exchanges wondering why XRP is not moving, and this is because real price discovery happens in the derivatives markets, and price doesn't move until derivatives settle. And this is how every commodity reprices, right? We had 1974 gold futures, 1983 oil futures, 2021 Bitcoin futures, and after that, guys, all of these assets, gold, oil, Bitcoin, went parabolic, and now this year, we have CME back in May listing XRP futures. So this means that we should see XRP going parabolic as well. We did back in June, July. We did see XRP making a new all-time high, hitting $3.66 after 2-3 months of the CME futures XRP listing. But guys, the bull run is not over yet, and we will see XRP moving up even higher. And once we see Binomial settling its first physically deliverable XRP contract, right? We have Binomial, the first regulated CFTC crypto derivatives exchange. This is when we will see the price of XRP going parabolic. So with Binomial launching next week, trading next week, XRP futures, spot trading, ETFs, and so on, guys, this means we could see XRP going parabolic as early as next week, again coinciding with the XRP insiders and the 2017 bull run as well. Guys, again, very, very, very exciting stuff, and right now might be the best time to buy XRP, as we did see a retest earlier this morning of the $2 mark, and as set by David Schwartz and Brad Garlinghouse, we have a 10x and XRP going from $2 to $20. And guys, it seems like this is happening right now as we speak. It seems like the XRP bull run will begin as early as tomorrow morning, the beginning of the second week of December. And guys, this means we have survived one of the biggest bear traps in crypto history. Congratulations. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.